Struggling with sales funnels? What if you could autocorrect misrouted leads in minutes with AI? Tag the right funnel. Use HubSpot workflows or Zapier to sort mismatched leads, like a cold lead entering a sales ready instantly. Step 2. Smart enrichment. Use Clearbit or Apollo to enrich lead data, like company size or funding, for accurate lead routing. Step 3. Automate segmentation. Use ActiveCampaign or Salesforce to tag leads by behavior, like clicks or visits, and auto-route them. Step 4. Auto-trigger correction rules. Use make.com to flag and fix funnel mismatches in real time, no code needed. Step 5. Sync with your site. Connect your funnel logic to your site, or build a new one fast with Moksy.ai. And just like that, your leads go to the right place every time.